Welcome back to our channel. Today we're reviewing the Hisense 65-inch Class U6 Series Mini-LED ULED 4K UHD Google Smart TV. One of the most feature-packed smart TVs you can get in this price range. If you're thinking about upgrading your home entertainment setup, this TV might be exactly what you're looking for. And before we dive in, a quick reminder. Please check the video description for the latest price, as it can change depending on promotions and availability. Let's start with the picture quality, because that's what really makes this TV stand out. Hisense has added Mini-LED technology with Full Array Local Dimming Pro, which gives you incredible contrast. Imagine seeing the brightest stars in the night sky while still getting deep, rich blacks. It's the kind of detail that completely changes your movie and gaming experience. Next, let's talk about QLED Quantum.Color. This TV produces over 1 billion shades of color, so everything looks more lifelike. Whether it's the turquoise waves of the Caribbean Sea or the golden tones of a sunset, the color accuracy is simply stunning. Now, a great TV isn't just about the visuals, it's also about the sound. With Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, you're not only seeing the action, but also feeling it. Dolby Vision enhances every detail in dark or bright scenes, while Dolby Atmos surrounds you with immersive, multidimensional sound. Watching an action movie or a sports match feels like you're right in the middle of the action. But if you're a gamer, this TV takes things to another level. The Game Mode Plus with Variable Refresh Rate, VRR, and Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM, means smoother gameplay and less lag. It even supports AMD FreeSync, so you get buttery smooth motion without screen tearing. And with Game Booster 120 and Motion Rate 240, fast-paced action scenes are crystal clear. No more motion blur when you're playing your favorite games or watching high-speed sports. Behind all of this technology is the HiView engine, the powerful AI-driven processor that optimizes every scene in real time. It uses advanced features like Dynamic Tone Mapping Pro, face detection, and AI HDR enhancement to give you the sharpest, most detailed picture possible. And for those who love streaming, the Hisense U6 Series has Wi-Fi 6 support. That means you can enjoy faster, more stable connections with less buffering. Perfect for 4K streaming, live sports, or online gaming. To put it simply, the Hisense 65 U6 Mini-LED ULED 4K Google Smart TV offers premium features like Quantum.Color, Dolby Vision and Atmos, and next-level gaming performance, without the premium price tag. If you're looking for a 65-inch smart TV that combines stunning picture, immersive sound, and powerful gaming features, this is an excellent choice. And once again, don't forget, please check the video description for the latest price, since it often goes on sale and you don't want to miss out on a great deal. So what do you think of the Hisense U6 Series? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Amazon product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.